Hey, Paul.
Doing typical Ford things again.
Yeah, typical Ford things. Hang on, Paul. Wait a second. Before you do that, hang on. Before you do that, wait. We're back at it again. I was going to show you exactly what happened. We think the timing chain busted because it'll turn over and the valve train won't move. Let's give them a demonstration.
At all.
Yeah. You gotta throw it out of gear. Yeah, I figure we give them a demonstration of
what Fords do when Fords do things.
Yeah, sure, whatever.
Every can.
Huh?
Can.
Oh, the battery. Hang on, technical difficulties. Hold up.
I'll spin it over by hand.
Okay, yeah, you spin it over by hand. Yeah, I forgot we unhooked the battery and the alternator and stuff like that. We should have done that before we started this. Yeah, we already like got most of the stuff off.
Yep.
We're trying to see if we got any more damage to the motor, but we're pretty sure that the timing chain busted through the back of the water plate. But yeah, he's gonna turn it over. Oh, it's in gear.
I'll put it back in gear. I'm an idiot.
It's in gear. Hold up. All right, you should be able to just free spin it with your finger. Yeah, it turns. None of the valves are moving. How easy is it to turn? Pretty easy.
It's got compression though.
On some of them, I'm sure.
Yeah,
some of them I'm sure it's got compression, but there's a lot of them that don't. Yeah, valve doesn't move, but the pistons do. Which some of these valves are wide open, especially on the other side. Yeah, like that one. I think that one's pretty wide open.
Not compared to the other side. This side over here, you got some that hung up wide open.
Yeah, I'll show them. Yeah, like that one's wide open. The one over there's wide open. This one's getting anyway.
Yeah, that one. There.
Oh, that one. Yeah, that back one. I might have cut these valve reliefs so deep that it became a non-interference motor. The piston valves don't touch at all. Like they're divorced. They divorced and they share custody of the kids. So yeah. So yeah, what we're doing is tearing it down and see if there's any more damage, just in case. But yeah, we'll come back to this when we get the heads off and stuff and show you if there's any other damage, or if not, you know, whatever. So we'll be back here after a while. Oh, there's the damage.
Part of it, besides the hole.
Yeah, I'll show you the hole. But yeah, it definitely got the water pump as it was spinning. Yeah, there's a nice little crack there.
Well, it's like judo chopped it, punched it out.
Judo chopped it. He's like, hey, yeah!
But it is.
Yeah.
Like a punched right through that.
I mean, it punched a small hole. I'm thinking when I was thinking a hole, I'm thinking like it's all out. Crumbs are in the old pan and stuff. But yeah. But here, I'll let you go ahead and take the.
I gotta get underneath it.
Oh yeah. How much more? It's got a couple of holes. Anyway, all right.
Those two.
And then the bottom.
The four on the bottom.
Can I get them from up here?
I should be able to. But I gotta get Allen heads as well. Someone thought it was a bright idea to put an Allen timing marker on.
That's what we had. Okay.
And then someone decided to drive the timing chain through a fucking water pump out there.
Listen, okay, my guy.
Should be sending fucking 90-year-old motors to the moon and back.
The timing chain wasn't even the 90-year-old. It's fucking from the old 331 that got busted. I'm guessing. Okay, my theory is it got stretched during when the 331 blew up. That's my guess. And now it just finished. You know, just finally let go. All right, here we go. See what kind of carnage we got. Oh, I see. Definitely something not good.
Oh, you're done.
Well,
Chris, what did I tell you to happen? What I thought was happening? That happened.
What? I don't know what. What?
The cam came out of it.
Really?
Yes, Chris, just the cam gear.
Oh, here, take it out. I can't see much. Yeah, it's not looking good. Just rip that motherfucker out. It's fine. We're gonna have to get a new one anyway.
What it is, it's stuck on the fucking studs.
Oh, the studs.
Yeah, I guarantee you if you had another timing code, we would have it running again.
Well, first we gotta figure out why it did that.
The cam bolt came loose. I can look down in there and the cam bolt's
How
sticking
the
out of the face.
yeah, I
of the
see
cam.
that. How the fuck did that happen? Yeah, don't take it off.
That and it.
Wait, hold on. That doesn't make any sense.
What?
Unless it's not on the pin.
It could have sheared the pin off.
Could have. We gotta take we're gonna have to take those studs off. That's a little peek. A little peek. Yeah, looks like the here, better angle. Looks like the cam bolt came loose.
Oh, here.
That's crazy. Here, we'll get a little better peek in there. Yeah, I can see it. The cam bolt's definitely not.
It's sticking in.
Something
far out of the fucking.
Yeah, I know. And the thing about it is the little stud or the pin should have kept it. You know.
Not if we shut it off.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Like, shit got weird. That might have been what I heard. It was going boom, 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 boom.
Cam bolt banging.
Something, yeah, definitely. So yeah, got a weird situation here.
Yeah, that is.
Might have to take cam out. Or
I'm at a loss for words, especially cam.
yeah, no, that's crazy. We'll get back to this when we actually get this thing off because the studs are keeping it.
I'll weld next time. We'll pull out the welder.
Weld it on.
It in there, and I'll fucking put a big ass fat tack on it.
Fat
So it
tack.
can't come out.
Yeah, no shit. I've never had a cam bolt come out. That's weird. That's
I've
crazy.
never seen them come out.
I've heard of them coming out. But yeah. All right, we'll come back to this here in a minute.
Get the timing cover off.
You should be able to now. You have to kind of lift up on it.
Well, the cam seal's holding it. Crank seal's holding it too.
Yeah, no, you have to lift up on the crank seal and just kind of.
Crank seal's fucked anyways.
I'll have to break a new one. Have to get a new front main seal.
Yeah, because this fucked. I'm fixing it around for this.
I don't care. And this whole thing's fucked. I got a whole new set. So you know, shit, y'all. All right, better view. Yeah, you can see the impression of it. Oh, there you go. There we go. Take it out. Take that bitch out. Just rip that motherfucker. Here, wait, come here. Bring here. I was trying to show the impression. Yeah, the impression of the cam bolt. Just knock that bitch out. Now, okay, so the chain didn't break, but why that came out? That's crazy. Is there a? There's not a. Here, take it off. Just take it off. Nope.
You're done.
Yep, it took out the fucking. Was that a? What was that? Is that a bearing? What was that? Oh, that was the. That was the.
Cam's done.
Yeah, that was the
But it broke the back of the cam gear.
So the cam gear's done for sure. Probably, yeah. I wouldn't put it back.
Yeah, because it's busted. The cam gear's busted.
So it broke the
It busted the side of the cam.
Pin. It busted the pin.
Yeah, and that looked like a push rod.
It's in the,
Yeah, dude, it fucking
mangled it.
didn't mangle it, but the hole, instead of being like this, is perfectly egg-shaped now, and it drugged that right on around that cam.
Well, I hope it didn't do anything to the block. I can get another cam. No big deal. I just hope it didn't do anything to the block. You know what I mean? Here, before we do that, don't take it off yet.
I'm gonna take the cam plate off.
No,
I
just
want to see if it tore up.
Okay. I think the cam bolt came off first. Hey, I think the cam bolt came off first, and as the cam was walking forward as far as it could, the pin sheared off. Know what I mean? That's what I think happened. Get what I'm saying?
They pushed the cam backwards. The cam's pushed back.
We might need new bearings.
Because it didn't tear up that at all.
No. Oh wait, no, I think I see. Oh, never mind. Okay. That's just.
But with a mount.
Is that the bearing?
Yeah, that's cam bearing right there.
That's amazing. In other words,
Nasty ass burr.
think we get away with one bearing? Here.
I'm just hoping it didn't lock that camera.
Well, we're gonna have to, you know, have to take everything else off before we get there. So, yeah, that's pretty bad. It's kind of bad. So,
Since it's too fucking hard.
yeah, I was idling it in the parking lot. Yeah, we'll have to take the cam out. We might be doing new cam bearings. That's gonna be fun. Cause
I've never done a set wall motor in a phone.
I've seen them done. You have to have a special tool.
Yeah, it's like 4 foot long and
Yeah. So guess what? We're expanding our mechanic, or we're expanding our mechanic. Yeah, we'll have to do that for sure. We'll do that when we get there though. So yeah, all right, we'll continue this autopsy more as we take more shit off. We gotta take the heads and shit off and see what's going down with that. So all right, I'll come back to this after a minute. Well, what's the verdict?
Fuckery.
What's the verdict?
Cam bolt broke.
Yeah, that. But I get your light. Get your or get. Use my phone. Huh? Oh, yeah. Get your phone and put the light on here. Yeah, we're pretty. Yeah, dude.
Never touched it.
Yeah, they never touched at all, dude. I cut these valve reliefs so deep.
Yeah, you did.
7.5 1 compression, baby. Woo! Yeah, they never touched. They never made love.
Nope.
There's not even a clean spot on them. It is all black.
An extra piston gap on this side.
I don't doubt it. I don't doubt it. Yeah, see if they still rock. Oh, this one kind of don't. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. I don't know if you can see that. It's rocking a little bit. Oh yeah, look at. You can see that gap. Yeah. Hey, get your light over here. So you can really see it. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's only side to side. At least it ain't up and down. Anyway, yeah. But I'm still gonna take these heads. I'm still gonna take these heads to Limitless to go get them checked out, just because. Oh yeah, check the. How do those look? They look scored up or anything? Let me take one out. Let me take one out and look at it.
Just fine. Besides the metal.
What metal? The metal in there?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, these might be alright. I don't know if you can see it. They do roll. They don't have any, like, you know, rough spot on it. Well, I'll check the rest of them though. Anyway.
Hey.
What? What?
It's stuck in the lifter boy.
Tried. Nah, I think it's just tight. It's just tight. Tight squeeze. There it goes. Yeah, it's just tight. Just kind of a, you know. Well, I'll check the rest of them.
Nope, you're done.
Well, is that one done? Let me see.
Check the whole side of it.
Let me see.
Yeah. The cam is done too.
Oh, I know the cam's done, but. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. New lifters. I'm gonna get stuck. Well,
Ain't bad.
hey, we'll have to drill and tap it.
Four.
The stock style lifters. Hold downs. This ain't a roller motor. We'll have to tap it. Dang, those were good. Oh well. Such is life. All right, I gotta get new lifters now. So yeah, I had a feeling like if the cam went backwards, then yeah, it would make sense that it got fucking on the edge. Be funny if those are the only two that fucking fucked up. No. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, some Carnage. Gonna cost some moolah to do, but I'm gonna take the heads out just to get them cleaned up, checked. Even though it doesn't look like they hit, just check them out anyways. Huh?
Probably get away with these ones.
Well, I'm gonna get whole new ones. So yeah, that's all we got. I'll come back to this when we actually start doing the, what I planned on doing originally is re-ringing these pistons. And that's what we're gonna do, because I don't think anything else is hurt in the block or whatever. Just the cam, just the stuff from the 331. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna re-ring these, we're gonna call it good, and bring it back out. Hopefully with, you know, I don't know about better stuff, but you know, new stuff, whatever. So
if you're gonna order 3 sets, I'd order 3.
well, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I think you can't order one by one. Actually, you know what? Hold up. I have a set for the 351, but I think they're the same. I think the board, I'll have to look it up, but I'm pretty sure that the can't talk. Fucking roll the. Damn it. We're gonna cut this part out.
Brain fart.
How we doing? Yeah, no shit. The lifter bores, yeah, the lifter bores are the same height as a 351. I could be wrong though, because everything is taller. But I think that's one of the things that is the same from 302s to 351s. One of the few things. So, oh yeah, we're gonna have to check cam bearings too. We might have to do cam bearings. Anyway, all right, Harry's gonna pull the cam out. Just trying not to.
The damage.
Yeah, I mean, I figured. If it put.
You ruined my blower cam for my fucking 351.
Shit. Yeah, I was gonna give him this cam when I went to the better cam. Look, I didn't think a fucking thing was gonna come out or whatever.
Oh, you can see the damage on the lobe, just a lobe edge.
Yeah.
I hate to say it, I bet you he could fix that. Grind it and then polish it.
We'll see what happens. We'll discuss what we need to do. But anyway, yeah, damage the cam. I'm probably gonna get a new cam anyway or something. But anyway.
And not just cam.
Yeah, whatever.
250 shot plate.
Anything else? Anything else got going on? Or plant, or you gotta say? Other than
Ford needs to quit Ford.
This guy who has that thing is talking shit to me.
Subaru quit Subaru. All right, Subaru.
Anyway, all right, that's Paul the Builder. I'm Fat Man Fast, signing out.